What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a maintenance wash on my 2021 BMW M2 competition. Hasn't been driven in the rain or any other elements other than just regular, nice, beautiful day crashing. So it's not very dirty, but it is pretty dirty to my standards. So let's go. When I wash any car, I put it on little 2x4s right here. That way when I'm scrubbing the tire, I can get this bottom part right there in the middle. Right there. So yeah, that's how I start. Then I'm going to get my pressure washer set up, and then we're going to start on the wheels. As I'm waiting for my bucket to fill up, the pressure washer I'm going to be using is a Ryobi 1600 PSI, 1.2 GPM. Just a basic electric pressure washer. Got it from Home Depot for about $100. And then the one I'm going to be using is an MTM Hydro. I don't really know all the specs about this, but I bought it from Obsessed Garage. It was about $100. So together, this with that pressure washer will run you about the same as a pressure washer. So, all right, starting off, I use Brake Buster on the wheels. I love this stuff. It really helps get all the brake dust out. But first, I normally hit it with a rinse. Normally I like to do the wheels first because the rim is so, this is so complicated. It takes a lot of time, so normally I do the wheel first. Then spray it off. I'm doing that just because I'm in the sun right now, and I don't want Brake Buster drying on the wheels, because then it leaves like a ugly brown type of tint, which you can kind of already see, but it is what it is. And then I'll hit it with just a wheelbarrow brush. Really hard to get behind these massive calipers. Now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to be using a just plain microfiber, because I can get in all the tight areas a little bit easier with this. This process is what takes the longest about washing the car, but in my opinion it helps tie the car together. because nothing looks better than actually clean wheels on a clean looking car. One thing about the M2 wheels is they have like another lip right in here, so that is still something you see, and it's really difficult to get that clean with a regular brush, so that's another reason I use the microfiber towel. And obviously I'll get all the small tight areas with a wheel brush. And then since the caliper's so big, I'll actually be able to get my hand in there and get that clean. Kind of got to go back over things because you never know when you miss a spot. Okay, then I'll move on to a wheel brush. Get in here. Spot in here, and I'll do the caliper one more time. And then I'll use this wheel woolly, I think it's called, just to get the backs one more time. And then wheel well. And then rinse. So now I'm going to do the same process on the rest of the wheels. Okay, so now I just finished all the wheels. I basically dried them every single time. Then I moved on to cleaning the exhaust tips, which is something I don't normally do, but felt like doing. So didn't really film that, sadly, but pretty simple. Just scrub them down with brake busters. And right now I have all the wheels coated in hybrid ceramic wax by Meguiar's. Again, not sponsored, but if they want to, you know, hit me up. But now I'm going to move into finishing my buckets, getting them ready, cleaning up what this is, and then I'll start spraying the car down, and then we'll get it ready for foam. Now I'm gonna rinse the car off, and then I'm gonna foam it and wash it with Adam's car shampoo. It's not the best, but it's what I like. So. So now that I have the car all cleaned up and all the soap blown off, sprayed off of it, what I normally do is pull it into the garage or any shaded area, and I use a leaf blower. This car is ceramic coated. It does have a Suntech, like the full front end. It's coated in Suntech React, so it's PPF and ceramic coating in one. So super hydrophobic. After I air the entire car off, normally I hit it with a detail spray just to go over everything that I might have missed, or any like water spots that happened from the few seconds it was out in the sun. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm cutting this video a little short. Got the car completely dried off. I got the wheels all nice and clean. Odd, but I got the wheels completely dried off, got the car completely dried off, got everything ready to go, but now it's about to rain, so I'm gonna put it all away. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you want to see more of this, drop a comment, let me know in the comments. Feel free to subscribe. I got some more videos in the works right now, but yeah, thank you.